Embark on a journey to Teamlabs Planet in Tokyo, where art and technology melt to transform your very perception of reality. This immersive museum presents a series of dynamic, interactive installations crafted by the international art collective Teamlabs. Your senses come alive as you wade through water, light, and a kaleidoscope of digital projections, making for an unforgettable experience. As you explore the vast, futuristic space, you become part of the art, with each step altering the visual display that surrounds you. Projected koi fish swim underfoot, reacting to your presence and vanishing into a flurry of colorful blossoms. Step into this dreamlike realm, nested in the heart of Japan's bustling capital, and prepare for an adventure like no other. You wander through rooms that react to your presence, wade through flower gardens that bloom beneath your feet, and touch artworks that respond to your input. The possibilities for interactions are endless. To enhance your visit, keep in mind the following tips. Number 1. You need to go barefoot to experience the exhibits, so dress accordingly. Number 2. Wear shorts or pants that can be rolled up to knee height. Number 3. Lockers are available for storing your shoes and belongings. Number 4. To make sure you get to visit on your preferred date and time, please buy your tickets online via their website in advance. It's also recommended to download the Teamlabs app for a richer experience. Number 5. Towels will be provided after a visit to each wet exhibit for you to dry off your feet before moving on to the next exhibit. Number 6. Teamlabs Planet is a fascinating place for your kids, as there are exhibits that involve water, dimly lit rooms, and moving objects. Do keep a close watch on your kids for their safety. If you are visiting Tokyo from 9 February 2024 onwards, be sure to visit Teamlabs Borderless, which promises to bring a new, as its name implies, a borderless experience to the world of immersive digital art.
Step into the enchanting realm of spells and magic at Warner Bros. Studio Tour Tokyo, the making of Harry Potter. This spellbinding experience invites you to uncover the secrets behind the iconic Harry Potter film series. Imagine wandering through the meticulously recreated sets, marveling at the detailed costumes, and witnessing the skilled craftsmanship behind the magical props that brought J.K. Rowling's vision to life. Prepare to be swept away into the wizarding world as you stroll through the Great Hall, explore the Forbidden Forest, and peek into the mastery of visual effects that made mythical creatures like Buckbeak come to life. The studio tour offers an immersive glimpse into the filmmaking process, providing a unique perspective on how the beloved series was transformed from the pages of best-selling books into a cinematic phenomenon that continues to captivate fans around the globe. With the chance to step aboard the Hogwarts Express and even sample butterbeer, your adventure at Warner Bros. Studio Tour Tokyo will leave you with memories that last a lifetime. It's not just a visit, it's your personal chapter in the Harry Potter saga. So ready your wands, don your house scarves, and get ready to experience the magic like never before.
Before leaving the studio, be sure to get a taste of the famous butterbeer.
I guess it tastes a bit like root beer.
Yeah.
But a more buttery caramel version of a root beer.
Right.
A little bit saltiness, but not too much. But mainly it's sweet. But definitely it's like a caramel toffee, like toffee,
Right.
buttery for sure.
Yeah.
And when you drink the beer itself, the bottom after the froth, actually it's not really that sweet. The top portion is sweeter.
Yeah. Right.
The beer itself actually tastes a bit like root beer, right, darling?
Right.
Yeah. I think this is pretty good.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Embark on a magical journey to Tokyo Disney Resort, a must-visit destination during your 2024 travels. Located just outside the bustling city of Tokyo, this enchanting resort consists of not just one, but two separate theme parks, Tokyo Disneyland and Tokyo DisneySea. Tokyo Disneyland, with its classic Disney charm, offers a familiar fairy tale atmosphere where your favorite stories come to life, welcome you with open arms into the world of wonder and delight. As you step into Tokyo DisneySea, Prepare for yourself for an unparalleled adventure that sets itself apart from other Disney parks in the world. This unique nautical theme park invites you to explore 7 distinct ports of call, each brimming with one-of-a-kind attractions, shows and dining experiences. It's an aquatic wonderland that captures the imagination of visitors of all ages. The essence of Disney magic is palpable in every corner of Tokyo Disneyland and Tokyo DisneySea. As 2024 unfurls its wonders, visiting these iconic parks offers a thrilling experience filled with timeless entertainment, cutting-edge attractions, and vivid parades that ignite the heart and imagination. Whether you are a Disney veteran or first-time visitor, the allure of Tokyo Disney Resort is sure to enchant and captivate, promising memories that will last a lifetime.
Kawagoe, a charming city just a short train ride away from Tokyo, offers you a delightful escape into traditional Japan. Known affectionately as Little Edo, this historic jewel echoes the grandeur of the Edo period with its well-preserved architecture and cultural heritage. As you stroll through the city, you find yourself transported back to a time where samurai and merchants roamed the streets. This city is a haven for anyone looking to experience Japan's rich past without venturing too far from Tokyo. Kawagoe's iconic Kurazukuri Street, lined with old clay warehouses and merchant homes, provides a picturesque backdrop for your day trip. You can immerse yourself in the nostalgic atmosphere, indulge in regional sweets, and pick up unique souvenirs. Embarking on a day trip to Kawagoe, you witness firsthand the enchanting blend of past and present. The city's famous bell tower rings just as it did hundreds of years ago, marking the passage of time in a place that seems untouched by it. Your visit to Kawagoe is not just a day away from Tokyo, it's a journey through time to the heart of traditional Japan.
Escape the fast-paced buzz of Tokyo and immerse yourself in the tranquil beauty of Hakone. Just a couple hours away by train, Hakone offers a refreshing overnight getaway that contrasts Tokyo's towering skyscrapers with nature's grandeur. Imagine unwinding in a hot spring or strolling through the serene Hakone Shrine. It's the perfect respite from city life. Your itinerary can be as relaxed or adventurous as you like. Check out the Hakone Ropeway for breathtaking views of the mountains and valleys, and on a clear day, you'll even see Mount Fuji. Set off on a cruise across the pirate-infested water of Lake Ashi, or explore the rich history of the Hakone Open Air Museum. When night falls, relish the comfort of a traditional ryokan, where tatami floors and futon bed provides an authentic Japanese experience. This change of scenery is bound to leave you rejuvenated for your return to Tokyo. Your adventure begins with choosing how to get to Hakone. Consider the Odakyu line for a cost-effective trip from Shinjuku Station to Hakone Yumoto Station. For a touch of luxury, the Romance Car Express train offers enhanced comfort with reserved seatings. This train ride would be a great opportunity to check out and enjoy a delicious Ekiben during your journey.
Embarking on a long-distance train journey in Japan isn't just about the efficient travel times or the scenic views whizzing by your window. It's also an opportunity to immerse yourself in a beloved aspect of Japanese culture, the Ekiben. These bento boxes are not just ordinary meals, they are a culinary journey offering a taste of the region you're traveling through. Carefully packed with local specialties, each Ekiben is a reflection of the city it comes from, turning your train seat into a stage for an unforgettable gastronomic adventure.
The Tokyo Imperial Palace, a pinnacle of tradition amidst the bustling modernity of Tokyo, awaits your arrival. Imagine stepping into a world where the echoes of ancient royalties meet the present, all nested in the heart of one of the world's most vibrant cities. As your feet traverse the grounds once exclusive to the Japanese imperial family, you'll find yourself immersed in the serene oasis of history and culture. Japan's imperial residence is not just a residence, it's a testament to the country's enduring legacy. surrounded by meticulously maintained gardens, stone walls and moats that tells the story of a bygone era. Stroll to the stunning East Gardens, open to the public and part of a larger imperial area. The palace is encircled by a large moat that adds to its tranquil setting amidst the bustling city. You can experience the palace grand tour to the guided tours, available free of charge, organized by the Imperial Household Agency. Tours are conducted in English, among other languages, but remember, you must register in advance online to the palace official website.
Immersing yourself in the vibrant culture of Tokyo becomes even more magical when you stroll through historic streets clad in the traditional kimono. Imagine exploring the ancient Sensoji Temple or the bustling streets of Shibuya in an authentic Japanese garment that adds a layer of cultural depth to your sightseeing experience. The process of renting a kimono is an experience in and of itself. From selecting the perfect pattern and fabric to matching the obi belt and accessories, you'll find there's an art to becoming one with this iconic attire. Your transformation includes a careful styling of your hair and maybe even a touch of makeup to complete the look. As you step out on your journey through the city, you notice how the elegant folds and vibrant colors of the kimono add a sense of occasion to every site you visit. With a wide range of rental options available throughout Tokyo, you have the freedom to tailor your kimono adventure to your preferences. Whether you're seeking a luxurious, high-end ensemble or a more casual, cost-effective option, there's a kimono rental service to meet your needs. You leave with stunning photographs and unforgettable memories of exploring Tokyo as if you were part of its living history.
Tokyo, a bustling metropolis known for its mix of traditional charm and cutting-edge innovation, is also a paradise for beauty enthusiasts. Stepping into one of the Japanese drugstore chains, you are met with an overwhelming array of beauty products, each with its own alluring promise of enhancing your natural beauty. Here you can find everything from high-end brands to affordable hidden gems that only insider knows about. And the best part? You get to indulge in a beauty shopping experience that prioritizes innovation, quality and variety. Whether you're looking for the latest in J-beauty must-haves or classic favorites, these stores are your one-stop destination for all things beauty.
Hi guys, we are at Shibuya. Just did our shopping, not for myself, for my wife, Matsumoto Kiyoshi. This is a very big chain in Tokyo or in Japan. Something like our Watson and Guardian back home, right guys? So today my wife bought quite a bag load, right? So, well, check this out. It says tax-free shop. So what does it mean? Well, in this shop, there's a tax-free line, right? But before you pay, you need to make sure that you queue on a tax-free line, meaning that you don't have to pay the tax, all right? So by to show your passport to get the exemption, and you need to spend more than 5,500 yen, which is about $55 thing, right? So next time, guys, when you come with your wife, you want to shop around for something for her, try this shop. Matsumoto Kiyoshi, ne? All right, Shibuya. Signing off from Shibuya, Tokyo. See you guys. Bye-bye.